Hello guys, what's up? It's your boy HealthyGamer here today. What's up? It's your boys. Hi guys, what's up? My name's Oliver, I'm the HealthyGamer, and I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect and easiest healthy breakfast you can make ever made once in a while. Yes, bye. This is my first English video right now guys, so I hope you find it entertaining as well. And if you have anything to add, just post it in the comments. Thank you. So today I'm going to show you how to make the healthiest and also the fastest breakfast ever. Let's get into it. I've prepared everything, every ingredient we're going to need. So let's just go over it real quickly. So we're going to need first a blender. This is not a portable blender, but also the portable blenders are all really good. So this is a wired one. It's pretty easy. You just have to put it right there upside down in the blender. I'm going to show you later. But let's get on to the ingredients as well. So we're going to need some blueberries. It's really good. It's really healthy. And it's an either or a banana because the two together just too much fructose. So no, it's either this or that. Of course, we're going to need some oats as well. And this is really interesting. This is spinach. I usually prefer the fresh ones, but also if you can't buy them, the frozen ones are also good. I usually buy my supplies in Tesco, but nowadays, probably because of the virus, the supplies are a little bit off. So this is the frozen type of spinach. And let's get on to the supplements or vitamins. What I put in it also is a K2+D3 Vitamin from Gal. It's really good, it's really healthy. I'm recommending it to you. And also some amino acids, L-Leucin. 1 gram from it is enough. That's what I'm also putting in. And if I'm eating it after a training, I usually put 1 spoon of this Cytec Nutrition Whey. This is my protein powder. I usually try to match the flavor with the banana or blueberries, but right now I couldn't get it, so it's just vanilla and berries, so it's not the same, but it's also good. Okay, and the last ingredient is gonna be a whole egg. Okay, just raw, put it in, easy as it is. Okay, so let's get into making it. Okay, so how to make it? Pretty easy. Let's start with the egg. Remember, it's a raw egg, so you don't have to do anything with it. Okay, then let's pour some warm water over the spinach. Okay, let's put it in. That's the spinach. Bam. Now let's get on to the berries right now. The berries are looks like this. It's insane. You don't have to put in too much. It's like 1 palm, maybe a bit more, but not too much. Okay, now let's add some oats. I'm not adding too much, as you can see. It's also like 1 palm, not much. Okay, let's go vitamin, bro. Just a little bit. Okay, 1 gram of this looks like something like this, please. That's how much you put in of L-Leucin. Good. Now let's get on to the protein. Okay, that's 1 spoon of protein. Just put it in right now. Easy as it is. Very nice. Okay, one more thing. If it's not sweet enough for you, then I suggest using honey, but not too much, and also only bioorganic one, okay? It looks sometimes like this. I don't like it actually, so I'm not putting it in. But if you want to sweeten it, that's the way to do it. Okay, so that's the basis of the HealthyGamer smoothie. Yeah, now we're putting some water in it. Okay. Another tactic, which I usually do, is after I made it, like this, it looks pretty cool to be honest. So after I made it, I just leave it there for a bit because the berries and also the spinach are frozen ones. So it has to like warm up a little bit so the texture of your smoothie is better. So let's just leave it a bit. Now that we prepared it, let's just smash it real quick so we can drink it, and let's get on. Okay, our HealthyGamer smoothie is done. It looks interesting, but it tastes really good. Yeah, we did it again. The perfect breakfast. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to try it at home and drop a comment how you liked it. Any like or subscribe is really appreciated. Thank you.